Hey y'all, welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my bathroom. I have been trying to get my husband to redo this bathroom for so long, and I am just over these purple walls, okay? These lavender walls, I'm over them. I want different things. So this year, I'm on a whole mission. He's gonna do my bathroom. But anyways, this besides the point. We're here today because I have to hit the streets, and my hair appointment is not for a very long time. And I'm tired of looking like a tree monster. So I have to get this done. I messed up my shoulder and it's been in this state since Sunday. Today's Thursday. So I've been walking around looking how I'm looking. So today I'm going to attempt to fix it, okay? I don't know how. It feels like it's gonna hurt so bad, but we'll tackle it. Let's tackle it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet, but I think I want to do like a low pony. I have this hair. Let me show you guys. This is the hair that I'm gonna use. It is called this name. Yeah, I used to get it at the hair salon and then they stopped having it. So yeah, it's called a spring afro or something. So I think I'm gonna do a low ponytail with this, like with the middle part. That's what I'm going for. Hopefully it lasts a minute. It lasts me till like my next hair appointment, but my hair has been in this state. I think I'm just gonna run it through with the hair dryer again because like it's feeling a little crunchy. I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Let me just situate it with the hair dryer. Hold please. Okay, I am all done. Like I blow dried it for a little bit, like not too much because it was hot. I use heat, yes. And I have oiled my scalp and massage things in. So now I am going to start the process. I don't know how that's gonna work, but this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this leave-in coconut situation, and I'm going to use this for my edge tamer situation, and then this baby here, this thing to tie my hair with, and yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna try not to use like gel because I hate using gel and not wash my hair after, and I won't have time to wash my hair before my hair appointment, so I'm gonna try to not use gel. So we shall see. Yeah, this shoulder is bothering me so much. I have to like keep it down, so anything that requires lifting, I am in pain. So if you see me flinch, it's because I'm in so much pain. the look. This is how we're looking. And this is the fit.